Hi friends, welcome to Somesh Fun World. And today is the starting of the year 2022 and I wish you a happy new year. And I have a surprise animation which is added to this video. I will show you after I show you this first step of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. The first step is that we need to make a white plus. And it doesn't matter if another piece also comes. For that, we need to find the white middle piece. So this is a middle piece, this is a middle piece and this. So that makes a plus. Now I need to find, I found a middle piece here. And blue is attached to the piece. Look, this is white and this is blue. I need to make this blue with the center point. Where's the center point? Here's the center point. Now I'm going to do a U and it came to the center point. As the white is up with the yellow layer, we are going to do a F2. Now, isn't it down? Now I need to find another piece. Oh, I found a red piece. I'm going to match it with red and need to do F2. It is down. This is the first and this is the second. Now another middle piece. I found a green. Need to match it with green. Yes. Again F2. Now here's a white piece. I need to move it. Yes. Now this white piece is a bit tricky. For these white pieces, it was at the top. But now it is facing to us. But it's still easy. The formula is U R dash F R. Now I have formed a white. It doesn't matter if you got some extra pieces. Now this is the first step. I'll say you the formulas again. If the white is top, which is matching with the yellow layer, you need to match it with the other color, minus orange. Now do F2. Now if the color is facing to you and the other color is top, match the other color with its yellow point, middle point. Now it's matched. Do U R dash F R. Now that's a plus. So friends, this is the first step of a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed it and learnt it. In the next video, I'll show you the second step. Bye friends. See you in the next video and I'm going to show the animation. So friends, this is my animation and I'm going to start it. Friends, that was the end of the animation and I hope you liked it. Bye friends. See you in the next video.